How do you determine the mass of a red hot chili pepper?
Give it away, give it away, give it away now.
Give it away, give it away, give it away now.
You're welcome.
There.
Of course.
Yeah, it's windy, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So we already chalked the line up here. So we're going to put the rest of the soffit up. And then it'll be done. And then the siding, which is going to be hemlock like the house, will be here a week or two. Should be a week or so maybe.
I would think.
Something like that. And then when we do that, we have a big roll of metal we're going to get bent for the fascia. And we'll do the fascia at the same time as we do the siding. And then that part will be all done. And then, man, then the outside will look magnificent.
Yeah, it'll be ready.
Yeah. It's going to be
for
cool.
winter.
Yeah.
Summer's just about to come.
All right. Let's move this.
What are we doing? So what are we gonna do?
We're just gonna move
Around
this.
the top?
Yeah, just try to. Holy smokes, that's windy.
But I mean, should we shuffle this end first, or what?
Sure. I'm gonna take the deck off though.
Oh yeah. It is windy. Okay, you want me to get it?
Got it?
Yeah.
Remember we were talking about bungeeing these the other day and I edited it out?
That's
I
okay.
guarantee I was watching like, man, why don't you just have the bungees on? So you could just carry it. Because it holds these up.
Oh yeah. Cause I don't wanna. I wanna put unnecessary effort into it. Oh
A
yeah.
couple people mentioned it, eh?
Guess we shouldn't edit it out.
Yeah, I know. Just a sec. Like I edited out
Dolly.
how we couldn't be bothered.
Yeah.
All right.
I suppose we have to. Ow. Pull this end. A little bit, you reckon? Yeah.
Pardon?
We gotta pull this in now a little bit, you think? Yeah.
Yeah. Somebody else mentioned about recently about windows again too.
Oh.
More windows.
Oh yeah.
But if you use more windows, you lose a lot of shelf space.
Yeah. Yep.
And you know, that's what we want more than anything. We don't. We're not concerned about the windows. And we have a window at the back. You can, and a giant door to air it out and all that. So
yeah.
that'll keep that all good. Don't got to worry about that. Yeah.
You want me up? You want me up, 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 up?
Yeah.
Up, 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 up. Come up and dance, mama. Up, 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 up.
I'm just gonna go here and we'll just drill both ends like we did in the house. I don't know why I've been cutting that thing. Fascia hides it anyway. You want to put it on the line?
What? Oh, there's a line. Shoot.
Down, way down. Way, way down. Way down.
Oh,
Yeah.
the top on the line.
Yeah.
Down, way down, way, way, way down.
Yeah.
Oh, didn't realize there was a line.
No. There you're pretty right now. Ding, just blows away.
It's windy enough.
I know, right? At least it's warm.
Yeah. Maybe I should stand on it.
What
or-
is that? What is it, 16 or what was it?
Oh, I don't know.
16 a quarter?
I don't know. You should measure. I could sit on that.
Do you remember?
No. No idea. You want me to measure?
I can go do it. I need my tape.
You don't have that? Just wondering where you were.
What's she saying?
Sounds far.
Yeah, I know. Oh, just skinning a fox.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. A little far out here.
Ooh, it's so windy.
All right. Yeah, I was running the F-trim out here.
I unnecessarily.
Yeah, I didn't and I didn't do it on the house. I don't know why I was doing it. Because the fascia will go right over just like, well, here or there, right? Doesn't matter.
Well, it does.
It don't. Holy smokes.
Soul. Look at Windmaster today. Probably gonna have a storm.
What's that?
It's probably gonna be a storm.
He's pretty close here. Right?
Yeah. Good measuring.
Ah. I measured in the middle.
So,
Doesn't matter.
way to measure.
Yeah, it's a little better now. It's because that one there just half hanging out, probably.
Yeah.
What do I do? I don't need them there. Just wasting screws.
Golly.
What?
It's gonna blow away.
I know, right? In our tunnel here.
Yeah.
Ah! Candy.
That's scary.
Sure. Turn that way. Yeah, like that.
Hey, look at you.
Well, that looks pretty good, I think. Thank you. We're good.
Now you want this thing? Yeah, that's way easier if you just do it.
Might be dangerous being out here. Hey?
Might be what?
Dangerous being out here. Get smoked with something.
Yeah.
So windy. What are you doing? You going in? Too windy? Too windy, Mia? You saw a bee. They don't sting. Bees only do it if you're like gonna take honey from their, or take honey from their hive or something. They won't bother you.
What?
The bee.
Oh.
They're just like, hey, what's going on? You're like, oh, I'm just a horse.
Just
My
a
name's
horsey.
Mia. This is all I have left for trim, so that's unfortunate. So I'm gonna have to go get another piece to finish it up. So I gotta go for a drive. We were able to get our piece. Luckily, the hardware store, I don't know, like 15 minutes away, 20 minutes.
Yeah, maybe 20 minutes.
It's not open today, but we know the guy, so he treats us really good.
Yes, he does.
And we were able to go in and get it. Then we'll just pay him tomorrow or something. So that's deadly. So we can finish this.
We need to move the staging though.
Yeah, we do.
Bam.
That was close.
I was just joking, but
And there
then
goes-
you moved.
And now I'm blind.
You almost lost your eye. Oh, stink. That wouldn't have been a very good joke, eh?
Want to pass me the gun? Those two little pieces of SOFFIT. You can come up and hold it. Here.
Oh, it was supposed to be a joke and turned out all wrong.
Supposed to be a joke. Woo, woo, woo.
Zing bot. This goes right to the end, I think.
Perfect.
Yeah.
It's because
You need the little
I
piece.
didn't overhang it.
Oh, right.
I friggin' overhanged it for no reason, the whole thing. We probably would have been good. We definitely would have been good. Hey?
Yeah. Is there a line somewhere? Oh, there it is.
Yeah. Looks good, eh?
It's better. Put you up the other side in a minute.
All right.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. Let me grab the whole thing.
Yep. Ah! That felt horrible.
You know, it's always funny to me when someone gets hurt.
Yeah.
I'm a terrible person.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, terrible. One of the worst.
Thank you. Come here, you want up? Up? Come up on the inside of this one. Or the outside, doesn't matter. The inside I can reach you better though.
Look at you. You're
Where's
big.
your hand? That hand too? I got you.
Woohoo!
Yeah. Oh, pencil in the eye. The SOFFIT is done.
Yay!
That's awesome, eh?
Now how do I get down?
I'll just throw you down. If we had a pool, I could just chuck you into it.
That'd be fun.
I'll just carry you down. Maybe pass you to Mom.
Yeah.
That works. That's cool, eh? Pretty happy this office done. Hey, now let's show them our secret surprise.
Come to
Hey,
Mama.
Give me your hands. That's the best way to do it.
Oh, I got your big
You
butt.
got her?
Yep.
Okay.
All right. Crawl back out.
Step on
Mom,
Yeah, no.
catch me!
No, I'm dead.
Watching back, Adrian!
He squished me. All right.
One more thing
What's this?
to show you.
Whoa! We're on our way home with more chickens. We told you we were getting new ones. Here they are. All cozy. Hello, girls. Hello, girls. 6 of them.
Maybe we'll get another rooster.
Maybe.
Can you get it? Oh, nice.
Push in.
Do 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 do. Hello.
There's our new girls. I think they might be younger than our last ones. They haven't laid yet, and they're super, super scared of everything and everyone. They were even scared of the wind earlier.
They haven't laid yet, right?
No.
It's only been, what, 2 nights?
2 days, yeah. 2 nights, 3 days.
They look just like the last ones, minus they just have little cones still.
Yeah. They're supposed to be around 18 weeks old. I think 18 to 20 weeks, so they must be closer to 18.
Fresh eggs are back.
Yay.
Cool, eh?
Not quite yet. But
Yeah.
Yeah, soon.
Gotta bring
So
them a little more
this is the
food.
chicken shepherd?
And there's the chickens.
Cool.
We're finally done the soffit.
I know, that's nice.
We're gonna get that fascia metal bent by somebody down the road,
Yeah.
and then we'll be able to put it up as well.
And we'll do that right when we put the siding on. That's going to look just like the siding on the house.
Yeah, so that's shiplap hemlock boards.
It's going to look awesome. It's going to, like, man, bring it all together.
Yeah.
And then that'll be it for the exterior after we do the fascia and the siding on that. And then we'll do the interior, which we have a lot of stuff to do. Insulation, wrap it, board it,
Yeah.
electrical,
Yeah.
lots of stuff.
Lots of things.
So
Yeah.
see ya next time, right?
Yeah, see you in the next one. I'm gonna go get the chickens some more food and then make us some supper.
I know, hamburgers,
He's hungry.
starving.
Yeah.
You hungry?
see you in the next
No,
one.
I ate a little bit ago.
See you in the next one.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you in the next one.